Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I get my nails to stick on my mannequin hand. I know these hands can be quite challenging, but don't give up. Help is on the way. I purchased this hand from Amazon. I will have the link pinned in the description. It comes with 100 pieces of the little removable, detachable nail. Let's get straight into the video. First step, if you do not have an electric file, you're going to take a hand file and you're going to remove the shine just as if it was a real nail. And by removing the shine, you just go side to side like that. And you see how it's removing the shine? We will continue that process. I'm going to use my electric file. I'll be using is a McCart. I may have that link in the description. You can get it from Amazon on a very low speed, just as if it was a natural nail. You're going to sweep side to side, just removing the natural shine because it would not stick to this plastic. Even with removing it, it's a little challenging. Just like that. Take the next one. All right, for this next step, everyone have trouble with finding the right nails to match. I'm going to show you what I use. You're going to need a clipper. And I use the nails that I always have plenty, which is the 0 or the size 1. I have so many of these because people's fingers are just not that big. I always have so much of this left over, so I'm going to use that. And they are too big. No matter which finger you use, this is way too big, right? So this is what I do. I take and clip the sides. Remember, this is a practice hand, so you get all kind of practice. So you want to get the best of your money, so use the nails that you got a lot laying around. And now, as you can see, it fits right where I need it to fit from sidewall to sidewall. Same as if you was doing someone's nail. When this is a real hand, you want to match nail from sidewall to sidewall. Now, someone else's nail, you wouldn't do that. This is only mannequin purposes. I'm trying to show you how to save your money using these big old nails that you never use, you got laying around. So you clip the sides. Now, this is another step that I do. What I do is I take, you see how the nail looks? So what I do is I take and I file the sides to even it up. No matter which shape you're going to use, you get that to a reasonable, you get your sidewalls reasonable. I'm just going to be using some regular McCart nail glue, and I got this in a box of nails. When I'm doing regular nails, I use KDS glue when I'm doing clients. So I'm just going to put a little glue just like that. And I'm going to take my nail. Now these things take a while. So just hold it in place for at least a minute. All right. Now I have it attached, but I'm still not going to try and reshape it or nothing. I let it sit. We're going to move on to the next one. Clip the sides. Match it up. It's a perfect fit. We're going to go in and shape And the reason I do this is so that when I go in to create whatever shape, I have a straight balance to make sure whatever shape I'm doing, and it's not perfect, but it's better. One minute. Let's repeat one more. Clip the sides. Measure. Hold it for 60 seconds. It's a long time, but hey, these plastics ain't no joke. This is a practice hand, so you got time. You wouldn't have to do that to a client, a real person. So practice hands needs a little more love. Let me show you what happens if you don't wait at least a minute. You're going to go in to glue it down, and you're going to press it, and you're going to wait a few seconds, and then when you let go, it falls off. So hold it for 1 minute. Let's try one more. Take, clip the sides. Match it up, sidewall to sidewall. It's a perfect match, but we're going to even the sides. So when we go into shape, it doesn't mess us up. Take your hand file and just straighten it out. All right, so this is how it will look. Perfect for you to start your next step. But let that sit for at least an hour, because if we go in, it is not completely dry, because at the end of the day, we're dealing with plastics. That is what I do. I let it sit for at least an hour before I go to shape and file, because I don't want to apply pressure and they pop off. So we're going to let this sit for an hour and come back and do our shape. We are back and we have let the nails set. So this is the way they look. So now we want to cut them to the desired length and then the desired shape. I'm not going to do too long. So after you cut them to your desired length, you can see that this is not a cute shape. I mean, if this is a shape you're going for, I guess it is cute. So we're going to do a tapered square. So with that, I just take and narrow it down just like that. And all I would do is file the sides. There you have it. This is how it looks. If you like to use scissors, you could use scissors for this part. I know a lot of people use scissors for the cutting part. I personally use clippers. And then you just file your sides. Let me give you a look of how they look. I've done these 3, and this is the way it originally looked. So as you can see, you can achieve the desired look. It just need time dealing with the plastics. So let me show you one more time how I got these beauties. I mean, if you was going for this look, great. We want to clip the sides. Because remember, these nails were the biggest size in the package. It's the ones that we have left over, but we want to put them to use on our mannequin hand. I thought my finger was coming attached. Look at this. You have your mannequin hand all filed up and ready to practice. Remember, use the nails that's too big that you have left over, the size 0 or 1s. Clip the sides to make them smaller, match them sidewall to sidewall, glue them, hold them for 1 minute. Then let it go. Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. And let it sit for at least an hour before you come cutting the lint and shaping. So give the glue chance to dry on the plastic. Also remember to remove the natural shine so the plastic can bind with the glue. Plastic meets plastic. So give it a rough surface so it can bind. Same you would do if it was a natural nail. Remove the shine. I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll answer them because I'll be checking periodically. That's all I have for you today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.